Soft Ghana pancake is on a bill of fare today. Hello, exhibitors. Welcome back to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. This was very inviting. Just look at that. Soft and very delicious as well. So, without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my half cup of brown sugar. That is light brown sugar. You can use any type of sugar of your choice. I'll go ahead and then add 5 eggs. You can use 1 egg. You can prepare it without egg as well. Okay, I have a recipe that I did without eggs and it was perfect. Just do it according to what you have. Life is simple, but it depends on how you live it. Okay, yeah, do not let anyone give you pressure. Just do things according to your strength. That is just by the way. Mix it very well, and when it becomes uniform, we'll be adding the next ingredients. Welcome once again to my returning ones. I've added 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use margarine and you are good to go. You can as well just add small oil to it instead of the margarine and then the butter. Okay, it works perfectly. Now I have added my milk. In all, we are going to use 4 cups of milk. The one I just added was just 2 cups of milk, but we are going to use 4 cups of milk. Okay, mix it so it becomes uniform, because we don't want the butter to be somewhere, the milk is also somewhere. We want it uniform before we add any other ingredients. I'll then go ahead and add my all-purpose flour or plain flour. Okay, you can as well use your soft flour, and that is okay. Yeah, so with the all-purpose flour, we are going to use 4 cups as well. Mix it very well, and then you are good to go. With the flour, I added it bit by bit as well, just like how I did with the milk. Okay, mix it very well. And I know very well that you may say, so that is a pinch of salt I've added. Okay, yes, I've added a pinch of salt, and I'll be adding my vanilla next. So if you see anything dropping, that is vanilla. Even though the flour is also 4 cups, the milk is also 4 cups. Do not forget that the eggs were 5, and that is also a lot of liquid. Okay, so if you are using 1 egg, you make sure you increase the quantity of milk. So that is the vanilla I've added. Should you don't have enough milk, you can just go ahead and add water instead of milk. That is also perfect. I think I have a recipe here that I made it without milk, and it is perfect. Okay, it is so good. I usually prepare that for my husband because he does not take milk that contains lactose. Okay, so the day that I don't have lactose free milk, I use water instead. And if you want to use milk powder, you can use that as well. If you want to use evaporated milk, you can just dilute it with water and then you use that as well. Okay, so now this is what we have now. You can see how smooth it looks. It doesn't look lumpy. Everything is perfect and very smooth as well. Now we will set that aside, and then we proceed with whatever thing that we want to do. But before that, let me show you how smooth it looks. Just look at that. No lumps. Very smooth. This is the outcome we are looking for. And it is not very thick as well, not too light as well. Okay, perfect outcome. And if you get it this way, you know your pancake is going to be very soft. Now let's start with the frying. I have with me here my frying pan. I am just going to drop some oil and then we can proceed. We have to make sure that there is oil being well spread in the pan before we fry it. So we are frying it just like how we fry eggs. Yes. Now I'll just go ahead and pour my mixture and then we are good to go. You could see that it is not very thick. Okay, make sure it is well spread and then you can get that perfect fried pancake we are looking for. Wait for a while. Now this is what we are seeing. I am just going to make sure I flip it to the other side. If you've watched me to this point, it means you like the video. Can you please like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. Yeah, now our pancake is ready and we will continue with the process till we are done frying everything. Please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow us for more videos. We are on TikTok everywhere, okay? And then we share short videos as well on all social media platforms. So please follow us for more detailed recipes. This is the second one and oh my goodness, it looks absolutely delicious and juicy. Now we are done with everything. I will just go ahead and then show you how soft it looks. Azia yakondo ate ehude wa yakondo very inviting. Mutum hude wankasa woko ado nti inde yibinedi ai yibinedi na nebonyeden. Yes, with this you need just few ingredients, not expensive, and then you are good to go. When I prepare it this way, I keep it in the fridge. Whenever the kids are disturbing, maybe they want to eat pancake, I just pick one, microwave it, and then I'm good to go. It's very helpful, yes, when you make it larger quantity like this, and it saves time. I mean, it's not that you feel like sleeping. That is when they will be disturbing you. Mommy, I need pancake. You just pick it in the microwave. Thank you so much. I hope it was helpful.